Today we're gonna set up a container garden to grow some veggies. So I've got this cucumber plant that I got from a local nursery, and we are gonna plant it in this massive container. As you can see, this is about 4 times the size of my head. I read somewhere that if you're growing cucumbers, you want a container that's about 5 gallons. Is this 5 gallons? I don't know, but I think we'd all agree that it's pretty large. First, I'm gonna fill it up with potting soil. That bag is huge. Now I'm gonna injure my back while I attempt to pour some of that soil into the giant pot. Well, that went pretty well. I dumped a giant mound of dirt in my shoe, but other than that, it's fine. Now, the potting soil does include some nutrients in it already, but because this is a flowering and fruit-producing plant, it needs a little more nutrients than this potting soil can give it, so we're also going to add some delicious earthworm castings. Now that the soil is primed, we're going to go ahead and add our little cucumber plant. This is called a patio snacker. Sounds good. And you can see these roots are really compacted in here, and so I'm going to loosen them up a tiny bit, but not too much, because cucumber roots are really sensitive. So be gentle with them. Yes, this container is huge, but cucumbers are pretty big plants. They grow pretty large, so we're just going to put one little plant into this container, and you'll see it's going to grow fast. Not everything is suitable for container gardens, but a lot of things are. Even now that we do have a raised bed, I'm still growing a lot of stuff in containers. I've got chamomile and parsley and mint and 2 different kinds of basil and strawberries. You can do a lot of gardening even if you only have a balcony. Of course, you do need sun, because all these herbs and veggies do probably want at least 5 hours of sun, and they would love it if you could give them 8 hours of sun a day. And remember, cucumbers are mostly water, so you've got to water those cucumbers a lot to make sure they're not gross and dry, I guess. I don't know what would happen otherwise, but I guess they just probably wouldn't grow. And you probably want to fertilize them throughout the season as well. So that's how you start a container garden, and good luck. See you next time.